Okay, while sitting at Barry, my even though I had the Jeep running and everything else, it went pink on me. So wasn't pulling in, but it could have been because I'm right next to the building here. Road Legends, like that truck. Okay, Keystone Freight Corp, Green, New Jersey, Martin. Here, go by and just look at the trucks, color combinations and stuff. All right, so I'm still pink right now. So in other words, I'm not pulling in a good signal right now. That's not a good thing. I was hoping I would have pulled in a better signal. All right. Okay, that looks like something for railroad. That is something for railroad. Alright, most dangerous truck on the road is in front of me right now. They pull 2 trailers at once. I forgot the name. I teach a dang class and I forgot the name of these trucks. Alright. We are down this road. Alright, we are back on the road. On the road again. I should not say. Okay, I'm still pink. I'm still red. I'm not picking up signal. Come on, give me a signal. So Barry, it went pink on me while I was at the gas station. Let's see if I can catch this, but I never turned the power off or anything. So we're still pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off the Wi-Fi and I turn it back on and see if I can get it back to. Alright, we're going to turn it back on. It'll pull up the signal and I'll tell you if it's blue or not. Alright, I got blue right now. We're back to blue. No pink, so it's pulling in signal again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shut up. Nope, I'm red. I am completely red right now. So I'm in. Oh. Why is this thing going in and out of a dead area? What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the Weboost and turn it back on because we're completely blue, but I want to see if it turns red when I turn that off. Okay, I got the Weboost completely off now. Give it time. Turn it back on. Alright, we're blue. I don't want anybody purchasing something that doesn't work or basically gives you a false sense that it's working and it's not, but because you actually have it on and you don't turn it off. So what I usually do is when I'm testing products, this is the easiest way for me to test the product, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off my video. And when I get up to Eagle Pass, I'll turn it back on.